Making money by playing games and also by scrolling through articles is no longer a news because it is happening right there on Ethereal. So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how to make money by playing Candy Crush game and also how to make money by reading or scrolling through articles on Ethereal. So these are the two things that we are going to be looking at in this particular video. First of all, welcome back to Jorex official. If today happen to be the first time you are visiting our channel, make sure to like this video, drop your comment on the comment section, subscribe to our channel, and most important thing, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. So now let's dive in. So if you want to play a game on Ethereal and earn, as you can see right here on your dashboard, we have Candy Crush. So all you just have to do is to head over and click on Candy Crush. This is the number one. We are starting with the Candy Crush. Then the number two will be how to read or scroll through articles on Ethereal. So just click on the Candy Crush. So after you click on the Candy Crush, you are going to see this particular notification right here that says match 3 or more candies to earn points. So these are the things that we are going to do, and you just need to click on start game. So when you click on start game, you will have a timer right here that is counting down, and you also have scores right here. So all you have to do is just to be matching these colors together, 2 or 3, just be matching them together. Understand, you can be matching them together. So let's do that right now without wasting much of our time. See, just be matching 2 to 3 together. Keep doing it like that. Just keep matching 2 to 3 together. That's what you will be doing, and as long as this time is counting down, just keep doing it. After that, your money is going to add. So we keep matching them. You see, we have few seconds left. Look at it right there. So our money is about to add. You can see right here, we have now successfully earned from this particular game. So it's as easy as that. It's not even stressful. It's very easy and straightforward. So that is how you can earn by playing candy games on Ethereal. Now let's go back and check our earnings. As you can see right here, we initially had $12. So now let's refresh to see if our money has been added. You see, I've refreshed. It now becomes $13, meaning that I have earned $1 by playing the game. You see right here. So this is how to earn by playing Candy Crush game on Ethereal. Now let's move on to the next, which is how to earn by reading or scrolling through articles on Ethereal. So without wasting much of our time, just click right here on articles. So when you click on articles, you scroll down like this. Then most important thing right there is that you always need to check this particular date. As you can see right here, this article was posted at 8:15 a.m. on the July 8th, which is today. So make sure you always check the date, because if you do the previous day's own, your money is not going to be added. So now just tap anywhere around the article, then it's going to open like this. You just have to scroll down. These are the posts you just need to scroll through. If you wish, you can read whatsoever the content is in case it carries vital information, or if not, you can just scroll. Then this is the important thing right here. This is just to engage on this article so that you can earn. Everything has been made very easy. You don't need to do anything rather than clicking on engage article. So you just head over and click on engage. So after clicking right there, it's going to redirect you to TikTok or wherever it has been linked. So right here, you can choose to follow the page and like any video that you wish to like. Then you can now go back to your Ethereal platform. Let's go back to Ethereal platform and see if our money has been added. Now let's go back. You see, I've gone back. So what you have to do is still showing this particular thing. So what you have to do is just to refresh. Let's refresh. Then let's go down again. You see, after refreshing, you can now see that I have successfully engaged on this article. So I have earned from this particular article. Now let's go and confirm if our money has been added. Let's go down just the same way we did before. If you check right here, it has not reflected. Sorry, if you check right here, it has not reflected yet. So all you have to do is to refresh your page. Let's refresh again, and you see right here I'm having $13. So now let's refresh. You see it has moved from $13 to $15.50, $15.50, meaning that a additional $2.50 has been added to my balance. Now let's confirm. Just scroll down, look at it right here, plus $2.50, that's $2.50, and you can see the description of the earnings right here, which is the article. You see, so this is how you can successfully earn on article, and also how to earn by playing a Candy Crush game. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, drop your comments on the comment section, share this video, and most important thing, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. See you on the next one. Bye.